Let's talk about planning research. When we first learned to write papers, we were taught to go to a book or an encyclopedia or the web and write about what we found, grab what we could and mash it up into a whole that was hopefully coherent and made sense. Some mashups turn out okay, but some are really, really bad. Research at the college level shouldn't be a mashup. It should be an intentional quest for specific information to support what I want to say in my paper. That doesn't mean I'll present just my side of the story. I'll present both sides, but argue that mine is better. After all, that's why I chose it. It's not any different from a lab experiment, research study, or any other project. As I work, I plan, do, check, and adjust for continual improvement, no matter how small or large the project. Smaller just takes a lot less time. First, I figure out what my project is and what I want to know about it, and write it down. That's my research question or problem. It directs everything that follows. Next, I do background research, often on the web or in books, to understand the context of my research problem and begin to learn about it. I want to know what circumstances gave rise to my problem. I want to know what major ideas other people have about the problem. I want to know why it's an important question to answer. Now I'm ready to get to the heart of my plan. I list the major points I need to write about so readers can understand the problem and the solution I'm proposing. I don't have all the specifics yet, but I know I need to find out more about everything on my list if I'm going to find an answer to my problem. This will help me remember what's important, to stay on track and not be distracted by all the information out there. Next, I'll flesh out each major point on my list. By doing this, I come up with a specific checklist of things I need to research so I can write about them. As I find information, I can check off my list. I can also add to my list as I learn more about my topic. I'll be a lot more efficient now that I know what I need to find. The last thing I should do is add where I should look first for the information. That way, when I sit down with only a few minutes to search, I can get started without wasting time. The first places to look are the resources in my background search and also the library databases that have information about my topic. All of this also helps me to organize the flow of my paper to present the information in a logical order for my purpose, just like an outline. If it doesn't make sense here, it won't make sense in the paper either. Thanks for checking out this video. If you have more questions, ask a librarian. Was this video helpful? We'd appreciate your feedback. Please let us know.